Hi guys, let's find out what is this Mercedes-Benz button for. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is a charcoal filter switch that you can find it on Mercedes-Benz C-Class W203, CL203, S203 from 2000 to 2007 and CLK C208, W209 and A209 from 2002 to 2007. You have to know that an activated charcoal filter markedly reduces bad odors and removes pollutants from air entering the passenger compartment. The charcoal filter can be activated or deactivated. You just have to press it on the button. The system switches automatically to the air recirculation mode if the charcoal filter is switched on or carbon monoxide or nitrogen oxide concentration of the outside air increases beyond the predetermined level. The automatic air recirculation mode does not function if the air conditioner mode is deactivated or if the outside temperature has fallen below 41 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius. To activate the charcoal filter, you just have to press on the button and the indicator lamp on the button comes on. If you press and hold the charcoal filter button, the side windows and sliding sunroof will close. The activated charcoal filter should be switched off when windows fog up on the inside or if the passenger compartment needs to be quickly heated or cooled down. To deactivate the charcoal filter, you just have to press on the button and the indicator lamp on the button goes out. If you press and hold the charcoal filter button, the side windows and the sliding sunroof will return to the previous position. A side window or sliding sunroof will only return to its previous position if it has not been moved to another position using the respective side window switch or sliding sunroof switch after it was closed with the charcoal filter button. A side window or sliding sunroof that was moved will remain in its current position if the charcoal filter button is used to reopen the remaining side windows or sliding sunroof. So this is all the information that we could find on the Mercedes-Benz owner's manual.